All right, hello everyone. Welcome to week 3, unit 3 of distance learning. So, we're just taking it slow and steady these first couple of weeks so that we can make sure that we know how to use all the different kinds of things that are inside of Schoology. So, I'm going to talk about what we're doing this week. So, week of April 13th through 17th. Clicking on here, there are videos, and a lot of these you need to do in order. So if one of these things doesn't work, try making sure that you've viewed everything in the order that it was placed in the folder. So we have a little video, a pep talk, a check-in. I want to see how you're doing with distance learning. Is there anything I can do to make it easier? Is there anything you would like to do differently? There is a superstitions PowerPoint. A video about why we believe in superstitions, and then a discussion. So you're going to click in here, make a post. So it's watch the video right up here, answer the questions, and what are some superstitions that you have? What do you believe causes good or bad luck? Again, it's going to be our word trees, the PowerPoint. So these two are the same. So if one doesn't work, you can try clicking it up here. The same with this video. If you find a link where the video doesn't play here, I put the title right here so you can go to YouTube and type it in. You can also try the link here. So there's 3 different ways to try and watch it if you have any problems. Then there are the root words, and you're going to and then there are some assignments. So I just want to make sure people know how to use the Google assignments. How they will come out is if I click here, this is how it looks as a teacher, but yours will say, go to my document. And it's just like if I were to hand you a piece of paper, okay? Some people, their computers are not letting them do it. Make sure that up here, do you see in this corner where it says my name? Make sure that that says your name, because sometimes people are logged into their parents' account and it won't let them make submissions. So just double check. There are other problems too, but let's rule that one out. All right, so just a few things to do this week. I'm going to start to get us in the habit of doing one video a week, a discussion, root words, and an assignment, and we'll add on to that. So if it seems like not enough right now, that'll come. I just want us to all just get used to this technology, okay? And you can, anytime you want to talk to me, you can go on to here. I'm going to show you. There is this part right here, and this is a Google Hangout. So if you want to start a video chat with me and ask me any questions, or if you want to just send me like a text message, you would go here, you would enter a name. So I could do one with, let's say I want to talk to Simon. I could do, hello Simon, keep up the good work. All right, and it's like sending a text message to him. So you can start one to me by just pressing the plus sign, find my name, L. Corinta. There I am. And you can start sending me just a message if you have any questions. You can also do a video, so you can go like this, click on my name. Sorry, I just had a screen freeze. You can click on the name, and then if you see this video camera right here, you can click the video camera if you want to do a chat with me. The last thing I want you to do is make sure you're going onto the Flipgrid and trying it out. That is in, if we go to here, Flipgrid check-in, and you're going to click on the assignment, but you have to submit it by going to the Flipgrid and making a submission. So it would be up here. Click on that link, log in with my school email right here, and then I'm going to scroll down and press the plus sign. If that doesn't work, let me know and I will send you the link. Anytime you have any problems, you are not bothering me, please let me know so that I can make it work for you. All right, great job, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.